hope you, what do I hope? Hello and welcome. It's Melissa here, and I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today's video, I have quite a few home decor ideas, and all of the items that I'd like to show you came from Amazon. Amazon seems to be my go-to place to order, and the reason I love it is because I am a Canadian girl and I probably have to drive a good 3 hours to get to a mall that is actually fully housed with stores. So as you can imagine, things usually aren't at my fingertips and I either have to travel or source out. So without further ado, let's check it out. So for starters, I'd love to show you this one piece that's so versatile, and that is the M Design freestanding bath towel bar ladder. Woo! Let me try that again. Freestanding bath towel bar storage ladder. It's that easy. What I love about this is not only is it light, there's a lot of versatility too.
Now, while I'm currently using this piece in my powder room, I also wanted to show you some other looks. So you can take some magazines or your favorite book and just throw it over along with a blanket, and you are ready for a rainy day or a day that you want to just grab a blanket and cozy up, maybe to watch a movie. I also really love that this has some height to it, and that's another way to decorate my living room.
Now, if vertical storage is not your thing, you can always go for storage baskets. And look at the size of this. This cotton rope storage basket. It is super handy
and is actually my preference of storage for my blankets and extra pillows. And honestly, to tell you the truth, the reason why is because, ooh, look how pretty. I've created a little vignette. And little do you know, I have children's themed blankets that I really don't want to display. And then also with, bike helmets, snow helmets, I ended up putting them in my closet. They would really come visit me very fastly in the face when I open my closet, and this is a way to store it nicely.
Now, something I'll admit I probably learned late in the game is the power of florals and stems and greenery and how much it actually brings some life into your home. And this beautiful olive tree stem really worked well. One thing, if you look, it's like super tall, but that could actually be handy depending on what kind of vase you're using.
And for me, I really went on the hunt for something that looked French country, French provincial. I really love adding that old world look into my dining room, my living room, any area really for that matter. And this really did the trick. And one thing that I like to do is I actually like to use these olive branches as fillers. And every season I like to add a different color, like these floral peonies, roses, whatever you want to call them. But take a look at the stems itself, and I really love that there is some nice wiring to it. It can bend in any direction, and yes, it does bend right back, and it just lends itself nicely. Now, I know I probably wouldn't see that combination together, but it goes nicely for me.
And finally, pillows. Yes, pillows. Pillows can be so expensive when you go out and look at different stores and you purchase them, and you know what? More than likely you have pillows kicking around. You might have seasonal pillows that you might be up for just adding a pillowcase and making a change to it. Or maybe like me, where your couch actually came with pillows and now you can change it up for whatever mood or style you're into.
I first started on my search for pillowcases when I really wanted to start incorporating more blue. And so I found these solid color square pillowcases. They came 4 to a package, and I was really able to just add it to pre-existing pillows and insert it into wherever I wanted that pop of color. And then I was able to start searching further for patterns. And I was actually just looking for that damask or floral kind of pattern with navy. And although that round pillow I already owned, all of the other pieces I was able to put together with previously owned pillows that, you know, I already had on my couch. And hey, it was just able to add a different look, and it actually looks like it really goes together. It lends itself to a nice cohesive feeling to my living room, and it gives it one step more of that coziness that I really am striving for. And then I found these really bright colored patterned pillowcases, and I really loved it. It adds some color and some pop to my front entrance, but I can also convert it to outdoors when the weather gets nicer. So I'm looking forward to that. A note to self, decorate with more yellow.
Thanks so much for watching. Like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I hope this has helped you to stay inspired.